Hi everyone, my name is Fox, but the hikers usually call me Finisher. And you might ask why that kind of a name? Well, I am actually from Finland, and I happened to finish through hiking the Appalachian Trail in the east coast of the United States in 2017. The AT is a long-distance hiking trail that is about 3,500 kilometers long, so that is 2,200 miles. And now, this year, 2022, I am beginning my attempt for my next long-distance hike. So on 4th of April this year, I will start through hiking the Pacific Crest Trail on the west coast of the United States. The Pacific Crest Trail is a long-distance hiking trail that is about 4,200 kilometers long, so that is about 2,600 miles. In my normal life, I work at a hospital as a radiographer, and I actually have recently done a master's degree in forensic radiography, so that's my specialty. I also am a performing artist, although during this coronavirus pandemic there haven't been that much of work for performing artists, unfortunately. But I happen to be a professional dancer and dance teacher. You will be able to follow my journey from my YouTube channel, from my Instagram, from my Facebook. All of those are using the name Jericho Fox Trail. I will be also writing my blog at trail.jerichofox.com, but during my hike I will be only writing that in Finnish. Those blog posts will be translated into English, but there will be some delay. But those of you who are English speaking, I am also collaborating with a Trek. So I will be writing another blog solely in English on the Trek. And please do invite your friends, your family, your co-workers, your enemies, whoever. You can help me by sharing this video and inviting everyone to follow my journey. If you wish to help me with my true hike in some other way, one possibility is to go to my website, which is also working as my blog. It's at trail.jerichofox.com. There in the menu you find the shop. That's my Spreadshirt shop. And if you wish to buy a nice t-shirt or hoodie, part of that money will go for me and to help me to fund my true hike. The other way to help me is to use my Amazon affiliate link. You can find that in the description of this video. So if you are anyway going to buy something from the Amazon, and this is for my US followers only, if you are going to buy something from the US Amazon, use that link to go to the Amazon store. It doesn't matter what you buy. If you buy books, if you buy socks, whatever, a tiny slice of that price will come to my Amazon account, and when I need to replace some of my gear, I can use that money to buy those things from Amazon. So that is also an easy way to help me. And if you don't have the possibility to use the money, you can always share these videos, give me thumbs up. That will always help me. I hope all of you are as excited about this new adventure as I am. I hope you will be following my journey and sharing it to all the world. I hope to see you soon. Please give me some thumbs up, write some comments when you feel like that, and I will try my best to answer all of you. So until next time, bye bye.